Arowolo.
Chief Akajiaku.
God bless you. You are a real businessman.
That's so it be.
This is the well.
I can see.
My joy is that you paid in full.
That's why I'm called Chief Arowolo.
You can say that again.
Chief Arowolo.
You are a real businessman. I like that. You see, this well, the time I built it, it cost me so much money to build it. And I know, as well as this well served me, it will serve you too.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Whatever you want to use this well for, it will bless you.
Amen.
Chief Arowolo.
Chief Akajiaku.
God bless you.
So, and this really calls for celebration anyway.
Yes.
Are you coming to club at night?
How else do we unwind? As usual now.
We have to celebrate for this one calls for celebration.
Wait a minute. Is this you, Chief Akajiaku? How can you sell the well outrightly? What other source of income do you have? Mbano? No. There must be a way out. Because that's the end of my income. No, I have to do something. Hey, Cynthia. Yes, that is me, Chief Akajiaku. Cynthia, stop calling me baby. If you call me baby, it will make me look as if I'm truly a baby. This is Chief Akajiaku. What is that thing again? Cynthia, money. Hey, Cynthia, let me tell you. You see money, you will touch money. There is a place I'm taking you to tomorrow. Yes, I discovered a business that will be giving us money. Money, everlasting money. Yes, so don't worry. Don't worry. I will call you. This is baby.
Yes, who is there coming? Okay, Clarigo.
Sir, àwọn èèyàn méjì kan wà ní reception pẹ̀lú mi, wọ́n ní àwọn àpò mi.
Kí ló kọ́ wọn àwọn?
Mr. Ope.
Okay. Opeyemi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's true. And what happened?
For now, I'm very in, sir.
For now, as you can see, I'm very, very busy. Tell them to wait for me at the reception. I will join them soon, okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
You will.
Yes, sir.
Cynthia.
Baby.
Cynthia. This is the place I was telling you about. Yes. This man we have come to see is my money-making machine. I discovered something. It's my ATM. Yes. By the time I finish with him, you will be a millionaire.
Really?
You won't understand. But don't worry. I'm on the matter.
Àlá tí mo lálẹ́ nìyí. Tí mo lọ rí Chief Akajiaku yìí. Kó má lọ máa lọ jẹ́ nǹkan tí mò ń rò ni. Ó má lọ jẹ́ pé ó fẹ́ hùwà ọmọ Igbo fẹ́mi. Anyway, nǹkan tẹ́mi rà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mo ti rà náà. Á bẹ̀ mí gan bẹ̀.
Secretary. Just a minute.
Okay.
Let me go and see her. How are you, my secretary?
Hold on, sir. Where are you going to, sir?
I want to see your guy.
Sir, I see where you're coming.
Aware? He's my friend.
I think you should call him, sir.
Call him?
Yes, sir.
No problem. I will call him so that I will not break your protocol. Hey, Chief Arowolo.
Sàyìn ló máa mọ̀ pé èmi fúnra mi gangan. Chief Arowolo. Ẹ gbà mí. Àpòrí àkọrò jáko. Ó náà ló ń pè mí ìṣá. Jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ náà.
Chief Arowolo.
Akajiaku.
God bless you.
Thanks for the other day.
Yes. Yeah, there's something very important I have come to tell you. I'm in the reception.
Already downstairs? Okay. In my reception?
Yes.
All right, no problem. I will join you there soon. I will join you there.
Okay. Oh, that's very good. I'll wait for him.
Bàbá mi bẹ̀. Ṣé o lọ ní businessman? Màá jẹ́ kó yẹ pé èmi gan fúnra mi. Ìjẹ̀ṣà, òṣèlú onílẹ̀ òbí. Oṣó ni màá lò, òní ni màá gbowó mi lọ́rẹ́. So, this man really mean business. Allow me man share me, okay?
Chief. Chief Arowolo.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
I see you.
Yes.
Why?
You see,
I hope all is well.
All is well, but I have come to tell you something.
What is that? I hope all is well.
All is well, but one thing. You see that well I sold to you?
The well?
Yes.
What is it about?
I have come to tell you
That
it is only the well that I sold to you, not the water inside the well. So, that water inside the well, if you fetch 1 cup from that well, you will pay me.
But if I can still remember, you told me that day that I paid in full. That means I have bought it outrightly.
Did I mention water? What I said was well. Chief Arowolo.
Chief Akajiaku.
Don't pretend you don't understand.
I over-understand you. Do you know what? The moment you called me the other time, I was about calling you to make some things clear to you. You see, the well I bought from you, I want to be keeping my goods inside. And you know what? Your water can be spoiling my good. In that case, if you don't evacuate your water, anytime you get anything called water from that well I bought, you will be paying me also. Did I just make myself clear?
Chief Arowolo.
Chief Akajiaku. Yes.
Don't even go there.
Don't. I mean what I'm saying.
I'm a typical Igbo man.
And I will let you know that I am a typical Yoruba man. Not just Yoruba man, an Ijesha man.
So you want to tell me that I am a fool, Abi?
You can say that again. You told me that day that I paid in full, and I bought a well with the water.
Chief Arowolo, listen. Did you hear me mention water? It is well that I sold to you.
What is well without water? What is W without W? What are you telling me? This is
I see you are trying to be smart, eh?
I am smarter. I am smarter.
It will not work.
A cup of water from that well, henceforth you pay me.
You see that well?
That same well I bought outrightly. Yes, I bought it with my money. This is Chief Arowolo.
I see. Chief Arowolo! Hey!
Yes.
Hey! Hey!
Waiting. What is your hey?
Hi!
What is that? What?
Oh, neighbor! Bobby! What you want to dákú lọ máa dájí? Gbogbo business mind nìyẹn kò máa jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé I am a typical Yorùbá man.
Sir, wake up now. Sir. Wake up now. Wake up now.
Ìwọ tó dákú lọ padà máa dájí. Sọ́gbọ́n pẹ̀lẹ́ ìsàn. Ẹ bá àwọn táwọn aṣọ kan wá pé.
Cynthia.
Chief.
You are such a smart girl.
Very smart.
Your man just fainted, and you instantly gave me face as in you already eyeing me.
So Ibo. You ń ṣe Cynthia. Cynthia ni mo ti ń jẹ́ Cynthia. Fọláṣadé lórúkọ mi. Lọ́dọ̀ Ibo Cynthia, lọ́dọ̀ Yorùbá Fọláṣadé ni mí.
Ìlú wo ni ẹ?
Ondo State ni mí.
Ṣé ẹ̀rẹ́ yọ̀ ọmọ ìṣá ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa báyé jẹ́? Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa báyé jẹ́? So, o kì í ṣe Cynthia?
Èmi ò ṣe Cynthia.
Fọláṣadé ni ẹ?
Fọláṣadé ni mí.
Now, tó ti jọ́mọ tó já sí, àwọn àjọpọ̀ mọ̀ pé this is Chief Arowolo. Chief Arowolo.
Wow.
Kí ni wá tẹ̀lé àwọn ọmọ yín náà? Àwọn ọmọ wo ká ní kó tẹ̀lé mi? Ọmọ padà fẹ́ ṣògo. Àbẹ̀ ṣògo wọn. Wọ́n láìka owó jẹ̀mí wọn lọ. Tó bá mọ̀ nǹkan tó wà láàrin wa. Ó ní jẹ́ kí n fi rìn lára àwọn investment tèmi ní kí n kàn fi aṣọ ẹ pé Arowolo máa tọ́jú.
Okay.
Filling station. Ṣé o ti rí Arowolo oil?
Chief! Ẹ̀yin ni máa bá wà láì.
Ó padà máa kú náà ni.
Àwọn bára pa ara wa ni.
Inú èmi ò ní kú pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, ìwọ nìkan ló wá ní.
Chief.
Fọláṣadé.
Pé investment ẹ fi hàn mí yìí àti gbogbo àwọn properties yìí ẹni lè máa tọ́jú mi. Gbádùn mi. Gbogbo eré ni máa ṣe fún yín. Ṣé orílẹ̀ à ń gbádùn ni? Gbogbo ilé tẹ̀ ń wò yìí ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni. Láì tọ́wọ́ ṣe fún yín tí mi ò ní ṣe fún yín.
What? Chief Arowolo! Cynthia! What is going on here?
What?
Chief Arowolo! Cynthia! Hello, Mr. Man, Chief Akajiaku. For your information, this girl you are seeing here is not Cynthia. She's not Cynthia. In fact, as a matter of fact, she's from Ondo State. She's Fọláṣadé. Fọláṣadé!
So you can do this to me, Cynthia? You, Chief Arowolo, the battle line has been drawn between me and you. I will show you that I'm a typical Igbo man. And for you, Cynthia, you are doomed.